Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Commissioner and Secretary ka Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jila Dr. Vijay Kumar ha ka khanriu tarik uklalingkot Wahïajer West Jante Hills ban Leit Jngoh ya ki Jaka sa Jaka bam bat ki Jaka Ïalehkai balapan khre nakabenta ka 6 Meghalaya Games hajawai bat Wahïajer. Habayakran matkilat pathai khubor hadien ka jing Leit Jngoh Dr. Vijay Kumar ulayaro halor ka jing pen khre pen khrum ka badang yad artat chat. Da ka jingwan ka Meghalaya Games uloong baga jawai kalayo ya kadur ka bathamai namar lapan baha penmiat ya ki Jaka Ïalehkai ki yeng community hall nalor kiwe. Ha ka bayade bat ka jingte ya ka swimming pool ha jawai Dr. Kumar uloong bakandang shimpor ban pendap ya ka jingte. Nalor kata ha kabayade pat ka jingte jingshna ki badawa baha kum ka jing penbiang boarding ha Wahïajer multi sports complex ki Jaka petkai hakyang nongba stadium ubala pentip ba ka jing pentre kan beteng wat hadien balakut ka Limpung. Lasanran ya Dr. Vijay Kumar dakinong yalam ka MSAO ringkat ki officer sarkar.
Yes.
We have provided.
So we made a bore well.
Yeah, we made extra.
These are locally fabricated.
Yeah, looking for.
And the flag hoisting happens where? Then what is this for? Very good, yeah. My God.
28 and 26.
Games, as we know, is happening in Jowai. We start from 20th. We have a very grand opening ceremony on 21st. And over the last 6 months, we have been making lots of preparations for the games. So now we are just, all the athletes will arrive on the 19th. So there's a lot of excitement and a lot of enthusiasm. So all the infrastructure, most of it is ready. I'm very pleased, I'm very happy. And I think the whole town got a facelift. I'm sure everybody is excited to see every building painted properly. A lot of sports infrastructure and education infrastructure is also nicely upgraded. So it will be a pleasant surprise for all the students when they come back from holidays. And for the athletes, it should be a great treat because the weather is excellent and all the facilities are very good. So we have a new stadium, as you know, we have a brand new Wahïajer stadium. Kiangnongba stadium also we gave a facelift. We are in this indoor stadium. It's beautiful maple flooring we have here. So even in Shillong we don't have. I think now Shillong people also will demand one. Of course Shillong new infrastructure is getting created, but here we have upgraded what is there. So I think it's very exciting. As you know, a brand new swimming pool also we are constructing, but of course it will take time, so that will happen a year later, but any which way all the infrastructure is being upgraded, and I think we'll have a grand opening ceremony on the 21st where the Honorable Chief Minister and both the Deputy Chief Ministers and Sports Minister will come, and it will be in Wahïajer Stadium, and I think it will be a big treat for the people of Jowai and Jngoh Hills because we are going to do a beautiful performance and involving a lot of school children and fireworks and of course the festivities, and the most important thing obviously is the 4,000 athletes who are coming, and for the first time so many people are gathering in the Jngoh Hills in Jowai, and I think it will be a great exposure for our athletes who are coming both from the West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, all the Garo Hills. So it will be exciting, and we also look forward to the competitions, to all the I think the MSOA and all the associations. They have done a great job in getting the competition managers and organizing all the things. So they are also, everybody is looking. I think I'm very happy to say that we are not stressed. We are very excited. It's 2 days away, but I think most of the things are done, and we are looking forward to hosting a great games. And we also have the experience in the sports department and MSOA, of hosting Northeast Olympics, of the games in Tura last year, and of course in Shillong before that. So I think there is a lot of experience and a lot of wisdom which has come to the sports department and to this thing. And I also want to compliment the district administration and our engineering team, State Sports Council. So in terms of the sports performances, I am eagerly waiting that, we have also invested a lot in athlete development, in coaching, and all over the last 2 years. So we are hoping that some records are broken, and our athletes come here and spend 4 or 5 days in this place and take back good memories, and there's bonding and integration of all the regions of the state. So I think a lot of wonderful things will come in the coming days, and it's I think exciting time for Jngoh Hills, for sports, and for Meghalaya. In the short time we already created a lot of infrastructure. We know, as you rightly said, that some more permanent infrastructure and changes need to be done. We still have the working season. As I said, something like the swimming pool, that also we'll take 1 year to complete. So even in Wahïajer Stadium, there's still about a few smaller interventions that need to be done. So all those, whatever needs to be completed, we'll complete. But at least now for the conduct of the games, we are fully ready. Infrastructure-wise, preparation-wise, and also I'm sure you must have seen, the good thing about Jowai is that because everything is compact, so athletes also, we have arranged just 3 clusters, the northern cluster, the southern cluster, and the Wahïajer cluster, where all the athletes can just eat in 2 or 3 places only, which means wherever they are staying, they can just walk to the place. So it will be a walking games. We won't be using too much of buses for transporting, because Jowai is a compact place, and Kiang Nangba is actually especially a great infrastructure. So there we have put arrangement for about food for 2,000 athletes can eat at one time. I think I think it will build a lot of bonding of the athletes, and that's the reason why we are doing the games. As our Honorable Chief Minister keeps saying, this whole thing of doing the games in different regions is to bring about integration of the athletes, so that they get a perspective, they get to bond with everyone, and to create this spirit of the state. So I think it's exciting about the infrastructure, whatever smaller things, because we are completing whatever is needed for the games. Other things which need to be done, the post games also, the work will continue, so that the infrastructure remains as a legacy of these games, and the athletes and everybody, the common people of the city, can use it both for fitness, well-being, and competitive excellence.